Hello guys, I bought by mistake on AliExpress this device. It's not a real mistake. I was hoping to save money, not buying the classical son-of devices compatible with Tasmota, and because I am an extreme fan of OpenAvian, normally I bought those devices and flash them with Tasmota, but apparently this device, I show you better. Okay, after a little research, is not compatible with Tasmota software because this device is holding this Wi-Fi. Let's see if I can show you better. And that is FL and something. This phone doesn't make focus well. FL M99 V1 that I couldn't find the data sheet anywhere, but for how it's made and is welded on this device, looks like it's perfectly compatible in the structure and the I/O with ESP02S. So we will see how to replace this Wi-Fi module that is included in the device mini smart switch with this ESP02S and see how to program it with Tasmota. So if you watch the I/O that we need are all in the back. Of course we have 3+3 volt GND I/O 0 GPIO 0 that will be short to the ground to allow to the module to enter in the flash mode, and we have the RX and TX pins that we will need to interface to our USB serial converter and flash. So I connect my ESP021 to the USB serial converter. So now, and I have already the jumper to reset, to put on the ground GPIO 0 to make the ESP02S in flash mode. I connect in my USB port and I refresh my USB port, and if you see change in COM5. So I open my Tasmota file and I use classical Tasmota bin. You can download it and the latest version on the Tasmota website, and let's go. Okay, we are done. Now we are ready to put back the Wi-Fi module on our board. Once you have done flashing with Tasmota, you will have to open the module. Has some plastic holders on the side, so of course you need to be careful to don't break the plastic. So you can remove the board, and you can see here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points that you have to take the stain well out, and replace with the ESP02 model, as I did here. The pins that you need to make the relay works are matching, so you don't need to make any change. Just you have to remove the old Wi-Fi card and replace with the new ESP02. After I connect the device under my network, I went in Tasmota and set up the configuration, configure module, and it is Tasmota of basic, and I set up the GPIO 14 as a switch, which is going on. The relay is activated under the GPIO 14. The datasheet for the Tuya device, TYWE2S datasheet, you can find in internet, and this is related to the ESP02S. Sorry. Thank you.